Welcome back to Faith Stewardship and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. I'm your host, Ron Wadley with Insurance for Texans. We help church leaders protect their people, property, and purpose with wisdom and clarity. This week, we're returning to the topic of ways to provide health insurance for Texas church ministry staff. The first week of December is crunch time when it comes to setting up a health insurance plan for the coming year. In today's episode, we are going to specifically address catastrophic health insurance. Across Texas, small churches are feeling strained in lots of different ways. In rural North Texas, there is a small church whose staff numbers a total of 3 people. Each of them is dedicated to the church's ministry. They all work full-time hours to take care of both their church building and their congregation. Each time they sit down for a budget meeting, they return to the same painful question. How do we care for our staff's health insurance needs when we can't afford a traditional health insurance plan? Rising premiums made group plans impossible, and marketplace plans had become frustrating and unpredictable. Their question became even more urgent when a staff member's family was suddenly facing a potentially life-altering diagnosis. That moment pushed them to look for real answers. And that's when they learned about catastrophic health coverage. Let's learn a little bit about catastrophic health insurance in Texas. It is designed for the big stuff, the things that could wipe a family out financially. Catastrophic health insurance covers major accidents, specific serious illnesses, hospitalizations, and long-term medical treatment. These plans aren't built for routine doctor visits or weekly prescriptions, which is exactly why they're far more affordable than traditional group health plans. For small churches juggling tight budgets, catastrophic health plans could be an affordable way to provide benefits to your church's staff. They offer lower premiums, high-level protection for major events, and a practical way to care for staff without overextending the ministry's budget. It's not full health insurance, but it is a way to keep a medical crisis from becoming a financial disaster. Most small Texas churches don't have large budgets. You're balancing giving trends, building maintenance, ministry needs, and staff care, all while maintaining faithful stewardship to your church's mission. Catastrophic health insurance offers a middle ground between more expensive traditional health insurance plans and going without health insurance altogether. It protects your staff from the biggest medical risks and keeps your church from being crushed by large premiums. This type of health insurance allows your team to have peace of mind, knowing that a medical emergency won't destroy their finances. In order to make catastrophic coverage even more valuable for your staff, some churches pair catastrophic coverage with simple strategies like Health Reimbursement Arrangements, HRAs, stipends to help staff buy their own plans, or supplemental accident or critical illness policies. All of these can work together to create meaningful, affordable protection. For the small church in North Texas, this approach changed everything. It gave them a plan that made their staff feel cared for. You don't have to figure out your church's health insurance plan alone. Our church insurance team is well-versed in helping small Texas churches to find insurance that works well for both their budget and their staff. Through our True Texas Church Insurance Program, we can walk you through a variety of options. We help churches compare catastrophic plans, determine when HRAs make sense, understand payroll-based benefit strategies, and build a long-term plan that protects both the ministry and the people who serve it. You don't need a massive budget. You just need the right guidance. If your church is struggling with what to do about health insurance in 2026, visit our website at insurancefortexans.com to connect with our church insurance team. And for a deeper dive into all types of church insurance, get a copy of our book, The Promise of Certainty, at thepromiseofcertainty.com. I'm Ron Wadley, and this has been Faith Stewardship and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. Until next time, remember this: caring for your staff doesn't have to be complicated or expensive.